Data science is a multidisciplinary field that involves the use of statistical and computational methods to extract insights and knowledge from data. It combines techniques from statistics, computer science, mathematics, and domain-specific fields to analyze and interpret complex datasets. Data science involves a series of steps, including data collection, gathering data from various sources and formats, including structured and unstructured data, data cleaning, pre-processing the collected data by removing outliers, missing values, and irrelevant information, data analysis, using statistical and computational methods to explore the data and derive insights, data visualization, presenting the findings in a visual and understandable manner using charts, graphs, and other visualizations, machine learning, using algorithms and models to make predictions and decisions based on the data. Data science has a wide range of applications in various industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, and transportation. Some examples of data science applications include fraud detection, recommendation systems, predictive maintenance, and natural language processing. Data science is a multidisciplinary field that involves the use of statistical and